go in the bowl right there. There's milk on the plate, so I'm gonna add the food coloring. These bars of food coloring. And I'll stay in the same spot here, so I'm gonna add one of each. Oopsie. So now,
how come all those colors are staying where they are?
they're staying where they are because of the surface tension. It keeps them there.
Okay, hi Josie. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
And now all of this food coloring.
Go by. Can you go by Daddy?
Because see, I'm gonna pour the soap in.
Ooh.
See, it broke the surface tension and it exploded it. I went right. Another one.
Neat.
Yeah, so I could see the bottom there.
Mm-hmm.
From there, I could see the bottom because the surface tension covers it, so you can't see the bottom.
Good job.
That seems cool to me.